Okay, everybody, hi, it is KSJ with something new today, and here's what I got going on. There's just light bulbs galore everywhere. I am through with these things. I'm sure we've all are familiar with them, and going to be continuously forever on going to LED, so I never have to deal with this again. Thank God. Anyways, but what I'm here to show you is if you've ever had problems where you had a whole strand of lights that basically just would not light, and let's say you checked them and you got them all to flicker on, but they flicker off and it's the whole thing. So here's what it is. It's the fuse. Now I want to show you something here. If I can get this open with one hand, hold on. The most famous reindeer of all. Now sometimes, look at this. These fuses in here will end up getting loose. Let's see if I can, hold on, try to do this one hand. So they'll get loose in here and they'll bounce around and they won't make contact. I'm trying to get it here. Okay, anyways, it won't really make contact, and then what happens, you have a loose connection. Here's what you do. And this works. I've tried it. It's sitting good. It's doing its thing. So here's a couple fuses here. Just wanted to show you. So we got a couple fuses. All you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap your fuses in the tin foil. Give me a second. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Man, it's gonna be tough. Hold on, guys. Let me try to see if I can prop it. I should have had this already set up, but I was like all excited to try to show you guys my new finding and stuff. Anyways, okay. I'm gonna have to get this started a little bit. Hold on one second. Okay, so I got it somewhat started in here. All you're gonna do is literally just roll it. There it is. You roll it, you mash in, and the whole fuse is covered in aluminum foil. Then all you do, you stick it in here, you take a nail or a knife, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go ahead and kind of hold on, let me get this. This is like a really sloppy video. I'm trying to do this one hand. I didn't think this through. Anyways, jeez, this is crazy. Anyways, so then it's not cooperating. Anyways, you're gonna take the damn nail, and you're gonna just kind of use the back of the head of the nail, and you're gonna mash it in. And here's what it's gonna look like. I'm just gonna show you. It's gonna look just like this because I already did it to this one. That's how I know this works. So there, that's what I did. That's what it looks like. I just mashed it right in just to kind of show you guys. This thing was completely loose. Boom, there we go. They work. Okay, so that was like 3 minutes. It should have taken like 45 seconds. I just want to let you guys know. So if it is loose, like you move this around, you jostle it around, or you're shaking this, or what you can also do is if you, let's say you have a strand of lights that actually work, you plug your one that's having troubles, or you think it might have trouble. That's how I realized that this one was bad, because what I did was I plugged in another strand of lights, and it worked. But when I plugged this one in, there was no lights coming on. But when I plugged this strand of lights into it, so basically this one was dead. I mean, it's live now because I fixed it. This whole thing was dead. But then I took this one and I plugged it in, and then this strand was working. So that's when I realized that this was getting power. It was feeding this one, but it wasn't feeding these lights. So anyways, that's a little bit of just a little hack, I guess, if you want to fix these things. Aluminum foil and a nail. All right, guys, take care. KSJ with something new today out.